If you wish to contact a court office or find where a court is located, you can use the Find Us section, which is accessible from the top menu on all pages of the website. Regular users of our old website would have known this page as Offices and Maps. To access this page, click on the Find Us link. There are 3 ways to find an office. On the Find Us page, a list of counties appears on the left of the page. Use the scroll bar to move through the list. Click on the down arrow to expand the list to see all the court offices in that county. Click on the name of a court office to open its contacts page. The contacts page includes a map of the location of the office and the relevant contacts information. At the top of the list of counties is a search bar. You can search for an office here. In our example, if you wanted contact details of the Office of Wards of Court, start typing wards and the list of offices will appear. Click on the relevant one to open it. You can also use the interactive map of Ireland to find an office. Use the expansion buttons to zoom into the relevant locale. Click on the court icon for details of that court. Clicking on this icon will bring you to the Google Maps page for the relevant office. Thank you for watching.